Alright guys, as a package deal with Amazon Alexa, which I featured about a month ago, I got this smart plug. So this is, I'm not sure if it is actually Amazon stuff, but it has Amazon brand here. So works with Alexa, Amazon smart plug. Let me zoom out a little bit here. Okay, a little bit more. So what's interesting about this guy, that first of all it came as a package deal with Amazon Echo Show 5, which I got during Amazon Prime days, but also I was kind of hoping that this guy will be much more powerful than the devices I used to have. So it works with 15 amp, so this is the most important thing to me. So this guy is much more powerful than can handle higher currents than other devices. So it's 120 volt 15 amp max. I'm not sure if it has the fuse inside, but this is something we're gonna check. So let's first of all take a look how it works, and then figure out if you can actually pop it open. So it's nice, smooth packaging as usual. Amazon kind of color, black, white, and yellow, and this time it's a little bit blue. I guess it's their color for smart things. So it works with 3-prong Wi-Fi plug for indoor use only, Alexa app. What's required? I do have it installed. Amazon smart plug. It's French. Anyway, so it's Wi-Fi BGN and work with iOS, Android, and Fire OS. And voice service available only in English, and commands gonna be Alexa, turn off the lamp. Okay, let's open it up. Nice packaging as usual, I love it. Oh, it's much more beefier than I thought. It's a beast of a unit in comparison to other devices that I have. Look at that. Just to give you a reference here, it's the device I actually tore down like not too long ago, and you see this is CE smart home thingy, and this guy is much more heavier and much bigger, hence the 15 amp. This guy, like dinky guys in comparison, it's like 5 amp or something. Yeah, 1250 watts. This thing supports, this is probably support much more, like 1500 or something. Yeah, 15 amp, 120 volts. But it's output resistive. Again, they mentioned this is resistive, not inductive or something. Alright, so it has QR code, as I understand, for pairing. Yeah. Okay, let's remove this guy away and let's take a look what we have here. Anyways, so box is pretty minimalistic, nice packaging, two user manuals, I guess, in 2 languages or something. That's it. That's all we have here, right? Nothing more. Go away. So smart plug, it's very simple operation. English French, blah blah blah. Has a button, has LED. Here's the button, here's the LED. Here is when you plug your things, and this is where you plug this thing into the wall. Set up your smart plug, plug it in, and then I guess use your app to add device. That should be super pooper easy. That's French. What the hell? Why do we have second one over here? It's in product information safety. Safety is good. To set up your Amazon smart plug, you must have latest version of Alexa app. Okay, so looks like all this experience is going to be extremely simple, because these days you don't have to dig around in order to actually have this shit working. You just use the app, add device. Oh yeah, don't forget plug in device first, actually. And then Bob's your uncle. It just should work out of the box, and this obviously gonna aid in for pairing. So let me fetch my phone and we gonna proceed. Oh, curious if you can actually pair this guy with Amazon Echo 5. Curious. Oh, look at this. It looks like a nose and 2 eyes. What's going on here? Oh no, this isn't better. Oh guys, what's up? Oh. Be back. Alrighty, I have my Amazon Alexa up here on a special place on on a own page. And now let's give it a try. Oh, by the way, I actually went and tried to add device via Amazon Echo Show 5, and it says use up. Ciao cacao. So devices. So I started the app, went to devices, and let's see what's gonna happen. All devices. Alexa, whatever, and what now? Plus. Add device. Plug. Yeah, it's simple so far. What's brand? Amazon, I guess. Is this Amazon? So what the hell is that supposed to? Smart. Made in China, of course. Model number. This is freaking nothing. Well, whatever, let's say it's Amazon. Next. Please turn on Bluetooth. Okay. Easy peasy. Oops, wrong thing. Bluetooth. Next. Hello. Take picture. Sure thing. Be my guest. Scan barcode. Oh, see, I thought so. So now I have to scan barcode. Let's do it. Hey, buddy. I'll try to show you. Here's the freaking barcode. Focus you. Okay, now it's kind of scanned. Now I have to freaking find the outlet. Oh, I was not ready for that. Plug. Plim. Okay. Plugged in. Something happening. Maybe. It's blinking here. It's blinking blue. Like if you see blim 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 blim. Connecting to your plug. Okay, let's do. Okay, so here's my networks, list of networks, and I'm gonna just poke around here, put the password. Alrighty, after entering password, finally, it did work. So, smart plug. So here it is connected. When I press the button here, it's supposed to. Okay. Yeah, this is sort of stupid. It doesn't refresh. Yeah, found the bug. So, if you press the button here on the device, it does not refresh the status in the app. Even more, so you press the button, it says off. You press, obviously does nothing. Yeah. Anyways, so that was simple. So we are connected. I don't know where else to add here, so, and that's just like I have to prove that this thing is working by connecting some sort of device and you know, power it up. Let me see what can I do very quickly. Okay, the closest what I found was the quickest thing is this IKEA light, and let's see if it powers up. Yeah, obviously it works. Click, clock. Whoa. Okay, let's do it again. Yeah, it does not refresh. It's just, oh, okay, it takes freaking forever. Yeah. Right, well, that works. So, on this note, I think this was set up, and it was extremely simple setup. So even cat can do it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure cat can do it. My cat totally can do it. So if cat can do it, we obviously can do it ourselves. Okay, so quick note, what I like, what I don't like about this guy. Okay, let's remove all this crap from here. Forget it. I need this. It's big. It's big and it's bulky. I actually expected it to be a wee bit smaller, but you know, just probably because this thing has to switch on and off like 15 amps. Yeah, maybe relay or whatever is there. I see some kind of secrety thing here. You look at okay, well, maybe it will help me with my teardown. It's clearly it has a relay because it's clicking, not like some sort of SSR or anything like that, but it's big, and I would like to see why it's so big, what's inside. So my next step would be just taking this, disassembling this guy, and we will take a look together what's inside and how it's made. But in addition to being like bulky, it's actually relatively heavy, so I'm curious what exactly makes it so heavy. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. If you like this sort of videos, please like and subscribe. Please support my channel if you like anything what I do, or make comments, suggestions, and see you next time.